Ever wonder if your bank account is like a fickle friend, demanding a certain amount of your money just to stay in its good graces? You're not alone. Navigating the world of bank accounts can feel like deciphering a secret code, especially when you start hearing terms like minimum balance. It begs the question, are your hard-earned dollars just sitting there, doing nothing, simply to avoid pesky fees? Today, we're diving deep into the specifics of one of Canada's big five banks, the Bank of Montreal, or BMO as most of us know it. We're going to unravel the mystery of minimum balances for their checking and savings accounts. Whether you're a student just opening your first account, a seasoned professional looking to optimize your finances, or someone simply curious about the ins and outs of banking, this video is for you. Think about it. You open a bank account hoping for a safe place to store your money and maybe even earn a little interest. The last thing you want is to be hit with unexpected fees because your balance dipped below some arbitrary threshold. It's like being penalized for using your own money. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of BMO-specific accounts, let's take a step back and understand why banks even have minimum balance requirements in the first place. It's not just about being difficult, although it can certainly feel that way sometimes. However, as a consumer, understanding these reasons doesn't necessarily make those minimums any less frustrating, especially if you're on a tight budget or prefer to keep your money actively working for you elsewhere. That's why it's crucial to be informed about the specific requirements of your bank and the different account types they offer. Now, let's zoom in on BMO. They offer a variety of checking and savings accounts, each designed to cater to different financial needs and lifestyles. And yes, you guessed it, many of these accounts come with their own set of rules, including potential minimum balance requirements. When it comes to BMO checking accounts, the landscape can vary quite a bit. Checking accounts are your go-to for everyday transactions, paying bills, making purchases, and withdrawing cash. They're designed for accessibility and convenience. However, this convenience can sometimes come with strings attached, often in the form of monthly fees that can be waived if you meet certain criteria, and one of the most common criteria is maintaining a minimum daily or monthly balance. For example, BMO often offers entry-level checking accounts that might have a lower or even no monthly fee if you consistently keep a certain minimum balance in the account. This balance acts as a sort of insurance for the bank, ensuring they're not incurring costs for accounts with very little activity or funds. If your balance dips below this threshold at any point during the month, you could be hit with a monthly service fee. These fees can range from a few dollars to upwards of $10 or $15, which can really add up over time. Then you have more premium checking accounts that often come with a higher monthly fee but offer a wider range of benefits, such as unlimited transactions, free ATM withdrawals at other banks, and even travel insurance. These accounts might also have a higher minimum balance requirement to either waive the monthly fee or to access the full suite of benefits. It's a trade-off. You pay more upfront or maintain a higher balance for added convenience and features. So, what are the specific minimum balances for some of BMO's popular checking accounts? While these can change, and it's always best to verify the most up-to-date information directly on BMO's website or by speaking with a bank representative, here are some general examples you might encounter. A basic entry-level checking account might require a minimum daily balance of around $1,000 to $1,500 to waive the monthly fee. If your balance falls below this even for a single day in the month, you could be charged the full monthly fee. More comprehensive checking accounts with additional features might have a higher minimum balance requirement, perhaps in the range of $3,000 to $4,000, to have the monthly fee waived. Student checking accounts often have no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements, recognizing the financial constraints students typically face. However, these usually have eligibility criteria, such as being enrolled in a recognized educational institution. Similarly, senior accounts might also offer lower or no fees and potentially no minimum balance requirements, catering to the specific needs of older adults. Remember, these are just examples, and BMO offers various checking account packages with different features and associated minimum balance requirements. It's essential to carefully compare the options and choose the one that best aligns with your individual financial habits and needs. If you tend to keep a lower balance in your checking account, opting for an account with either no minimum balance requirement or a lower monthly fee might be more cost-effective in the long run, even if it means paying a small monthly service charge. Now, let's shift our focus to BMO savings accounts. Savings accounts are designed to help you grow your money over time by earning interest. While they're not typically used for frequent transactions, they are a crucial part of a healthy financial plan. Do savings accounts at BMO also have minimum balance requirements? Generally, minimum balance requirements are less common with savings accounts compared to checking accounts. The primary purpose of a savings account is to hold funds and accrue interest, and banks usually encourage larger balances to increase the overall deposits they hold. However, there can still be instances where a minimum balance comes into play, often tied to earning a higher interest rate or avoiding certain administrative fees, although these are less prevalent than the monthly fees associated with checking accounts. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information on the specific minimum balance requirements for BMO's various checking and savings accounts, your best bet is always to consult BMO's official website. They typically have detailed information on each account type, including any associated fees and the conditions for waiving them, such as maintaining a minimum balance. You can usually find this information on the account details pages or in their fee schedule documents. Alternatively, speaking directly with a BMO customer service representative, either in person at a branch or over the phone, can provide you with personalized answers to your questions and clarify any specific concerns you might have about minimum balances. They can also walk you through the different account options and help you choose the one that best suits your financial situation. Understanding the minimum balance requirements for your bank accounts is a fundamental aspect of managing your finances effectively. It helps you avoid unexpected fees and ensures that you're getting the most out of your banking relationship. By taking the time to research and understand the specific terms and conditions of your BMO accounts, you can make informed decisions that save you money in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.